It's time to test a new crack for a new freaking virus, and this all from the fake spy guide, which Serge and Remington told me to make a crack or activation about the advanced defender. Which one is really from Striker? Striker sent me a download link for an virus pack. Our pack with advanced defender set to file cracked full version, so I'm going to show you and to demonstrate you in a few modes. After I will script a few transformative game model levels and alternative modes and a few virus and Rosa ransomware Rosa that blackmail you for money and gems. So advanced defender and his files to detect threats. Now copy this to here and advanced defender install cracked Trojan as an administrator, and there is the full version of advanced defender. So it's really a full version because the activation activate is removed from the panel, but digital threats. But I shall use a debugger or Pay Explorer to remove this dialog because it is activated. So there is no problem about registry hack. Now you can deal threats without to show you trial version of registration pop-up. You can click on activate now, whatever you want, and delete threats. Let's try to take a free option, just like removable on trial version. Let's try it. 0 virus is removed. Wow. And if you see action with files, we can update for free, we can remove viruses for free, we can turn off and on for free without to activate this software, but is a leak like the PC Defender Russian. So advanced defender Registred and a few registry files catchy ASCII. So there is no help. So we can turn off and on antivirus protection module, turn on, turn off, protection leave in middle, and no task manager disabled. Absolutely free everything without redirecting you to trial version. I can do whatever I want on this cracked file thanks to Striker. So middle, on, high, no more blocking apps, but my problem about the legitimate security center is disabled, has not stopped. The risk of virus is none. Risk of attack spyware none. High, none, high, middle. Now we can do whatever for free. Update every 1 hour. It's not a valid integer value. We can update for free. Here is a there is no add version of advanced defender, so we can update for free. Yes, you can update bases, modules, update quarantine modules, update security modules, quarantine other modules, bases, update, and update completed. So we can update unlimited now. Advanced defender cracked lacked for free. So I have to take the full version. I have to take the full version of the put general through I report false auto update put general. So I have to exit to apply a few change to so the fix by God cracked. Now we lock the exit control and let's try to refresh and everything R report false. Install report 1 F start everyday false everyday false everyday true. Let's take a look at this program to see what will happen with the configuration with a few stupid random file settings. Always means that don't forget to apply enable scan every 0 day. Run on every system start. Hide to system try. We can hide to system try. We can apply settings. Apply settings. Going ahead or 10 days or 1 day. Why not? And we have a few turn off and on another module for free. So but now you can use the register dialog whatever you want, but there is no important about the register because it's already registered on full version cracked inside. So I should scan now update now. Let's try to look at the report count proc close or try. Let's take a look at the ms config. Whoa, advanced defender for free. Now I can probably replace the files. F start R port 1 R port count 0 1 R port false. Let's try to use a few thank yes. And we have a very nice full version of Advanced Defender, but very cracked. A very nice set of file full version. Thanks, tracker. So Andrew Mickelson, the best friend, tried to ask me that there is no CL key, but a cracked executable file is for free. Uh-oh. I forgot to create a folder called dropped cracked files. Anyway, so I really try to test Advanced Defender on Windows 10, but it's blocking the apps on Windows 10, saying that Windows 10 Cortana is infected with Blaster or Keylogger to get you credit card numbers for free. By using Windows 10 Cortana or this code is getting anything. I can hide show, scan now, probably update now. Please wait until the scan ends. And update, how about to scan? Whoa. Let's copy them before I will create a modification to put on my virus database. Install report 1, air report true, air port count fstart pro auto run, so I can local thanks for free. Nice. Anti-query, that means a query for scanning. Let's add a database for scanning all files for whatever thing that there is no virus. But I created not a bad shit. A database file as the one base, so there is no database because there are 0 kilobytes. Quarantine base add internet virus, so I can probably edit no query. Let's and here is a configuration that is probably a trial. Everything false because I use the original trial version to claim the database for smart protector. Let's try to use a few minutes of this virus. Let's try to drop the database files. Let's try to drop them. Drop out cracked files. Drop fakes by guard crack. And we have to replace the files into my database because the database is no way to be sexist. I mean, this faking a virus is so crazy. So let's try if he really remove viruses on free version, cracked, and with a few glitched trial registration issues. Going ahead. Advanced Defender found 11 infected on computer. Click here to delete them. Now we cannot continue protected because it's cracked, so we can delete all threats right now. That's interesting. Cleaned files. Cleaned files enabled to quarantine. 0 deleted files. 0 Explorer. Backdoor. Internet virus, website virus, spyware program, malware. Status cleaned. Is really cleaning up the viruses and let's try to scan again. I just try to restart. Exit. And Registred. There is no issue. So I should copy all files with everything false and you will find more on the description, but drop out cracked files fixed by God Craig. That's a pretty nice fix by God thing that I showed. And we have a nice detection window. No constraint protected, no trial version, and Quite interesting. We can update, turn off and on, register on which time I want, no payment page, and base add the database, current, that means quarantine. Let's try to put this. And we have a pretty interesting quarantine. And file name, tip Trojan is designator blah blah blah, Trojan spy will combat blah blah, and quarantine name. It's very brutal. We can restore and hit files restore from quarantine. Do you want to restore files? Yes. And to scan for them? No. 0 files is removed. Restore. Delete. Do you want to delete files from quarantine? Yes. And I have base add, friend greetings. So the base add is probably from updates, and it's finally got your computer. Update server is unavailable. I probably should reconnect the internet, or probably animation. Update server is unavailable. Oh shit. Oh crap. Oh no. Oh no. Fake spy got crack. Drop at cracked files. I can copy the file. So the drop at cracked files. How about to copy this? Current. Wow. And I'm not sure what I'm going with my mind. It's happy after, but the big week breaks by God. A quake. And we have actually a few 6 files. Let's try this file. And I'm publishing probably this cracked version on kernel mode. Automatic. Update server is unavailable. For antiviral and spy security, you recommend to keep the software up to date. In these settings, work safer, faster, and is able providing here, 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 and we have a nice my internet. Uh-oh. Damn it. Cannot find the blog. because it's hacked, or probably it's taken down, or a Google Plus or a Google Play application hacked the blog and my logging up modules, but the private server is required. Can I uninstall? If I cannot uninstall, I can create a file to uninstall, a batch file to remove this fang. And I cannot remove full version, everything cracked, anything for free, no trial version. You can put here whatever you want, on which time you want, and anything for free. That is pretty much about this. Oh, that is pretty much about this Advanced Defender full version. Hack. Thanks for watching.